today I'm going to introduce air handling unit. So it's used to recondition and circulate air as part of heating, ventilating and air conditioning system. The basic function of the AHU is to take in outside air, recondition and supply it as fresh air to building. All exhaust air is removed, which creates an acceptable indoor air quality. Depending on the requirement temperature of the reconditioned air, the fresh air is either heated by recovery unit or heating coil or cooled by a cooling coil. Buildings where the hygienic in requirements for air quality are lower, some of the air from the rooms can be recirculated via mixing chamber, and this can result in significant energy savings. A mixing chamber has dampers for controlling the ratio between the return outside and exhaust air. You can see here high voltage bacteria and dirty killer system and bag filter. This bag filter is like a weekly need cleaning and need to check the inside dirty. So actually this one the bag filter need to change, but we cannot cleaning. So this one is monthly or need to check, and the damage or something issue need to change. This here have the motor connection. There is the main partner of the air controller. So this is the fan. So with the suction for the outside air to the indoor. So in here. So actually this motor the need to weekly check. The belt sometimes is damaged. So that time need to replace the new belt. So you can see the cooling system, the condenser system. So it's this circulation, the cool water, the chill water system. So that one also is need cleaning the every month. And so how you can the physically watching the systems have something issues you want to replace or the cleaning every month on the roof, on the floors of building. HU will service so specified area or zone within building, such as the east side or floors 1 to 10, or preferred signal proposed such as the building toilets. Therefore it's very common to find multiple AHUs around the building. Some buildings, particularly old high risk building, will have just one large AHU usually located on the roof. This will supply the entire building. They might not have return ducts. Some older designs rely on the air leaking out of the building. This design isn't so common anymore in new buildings because it's very inefficient. Now it's most common to have multiple small AHUs supplies different zones. The buildings are also more airtight, so we need to have return duct or regulate the purpose inside the building. This is our controlling unit. This is the electrical supply unit. So you can see the VFD and the MCCB also is the wiring. This one is communicate for the BMS system through. We can handle the every day, every time, 24 hours. We can see the what is the issue, air handling, inside air quality and everything we can select here to the control into BMS through. Okay talents, thank you very much looking for this video, and you have any technical issues you can write the comment section, and you want to share this other technician, you can share this my channel and subscribe my channel and like this video and share this other talents. Thank you very much all. Have a good day.